time to fix the dinghy. The motor is just not starting well enough and we need to clean the plugs. You up for it?
I know, it's been part of my daily workout trying to start that, trialing and failing to start that motor. It's been hard out. I did 100 pulls the other day and still didn't manage to do it. What a place to do it. Lovely.
Yep, it's a terrible place.
Just as the sun is setting.
Oh my god, so boring.
No, I think it's still adjusting my ears from the diving.
Okay.
Well, that's my excuse. I actually just yawn a lot of the time anyway. Okay.
Alright, so we have our trusty 10 horsepower Marina, or 9.9 horsepower Marina, that is an absolute...
Very difficult to start.
Very difficult to start, yes.
Keep
Alright. Keep it clean, Fiona. Keep it clean, Fiona, please. Alright, so what we're going to do is going to remove the harness. So pull it up from the back and then bring it all the way forward over the top of the cowling. Yep, that's fine. It'll just sit there. And then you've got to take the cowling off, which has got a lever at the back. You have to push it down, I think. Yep, and just gently just jiggle it off. Alright, pass me that. I'll put that out the front, out of the way, so we can't lose it. Alright, so the spark plugs in this little Marina are at the back. And the easiest way to adjust the spark plugs is to actually tilt the motor back up again. And so I'll let you do that. Yeah, you just hold on the back there. Alright, yep, that's fine. Tilt it towards you. So what we'll do is we'll do one spark plug and then we'll do the other. I greased it too much. Alright, so what we do is I'll do one and then you can do one.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll start on the bottom one. Take off the spark plug cap. I'll just tilt it this way.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we get the spark plug on there, use our little lever bar and turn it anti-clockwise. Pull the bar out, turn it in your fingers so it becomes loose. Once it's loose, pull the spark plug out.
Mm-hmm.
Spark plugs don't look too bad, but
Give it to me.
alright. But yes, it's been running like a pig, so in fact I'll give you the handle back. So I'm going to use a little bit of, I haven't had a boat just go past. CRC just to lubricate that, and I'm just going to clean it with a spark plug, sorry, a white brush. Don't lose the spark plug over the side, Fiona. God.
My mental powers are amazing, aren't they? If I teleport that spark plug out of your hands.
Yeah, bad instruction. All cleaning. Alright. It's not too bad. And now a little bit of paper. So I just use a little bit of wet and dry, fold it over, and then just clean the contact points. So between the gap and on the top, the sides, just so it's clean. They go. If I start to get like a miss, I just change the plugs.
Okay.
And they're probably about $10 to $15 each.
While you're doing that.
The sunset.
Yeah.
All right. Alright, so we've cleaned the plug and bit of wet and dry, wire brush, bit of CRC. Now we're just going to put it back in. So just locate the hole and just gently just put it in there gently until it does up tight. And then get your little tension bar and just hand tight. It's like a firm squeeze. Alright, that's in, and then just put the rubber spark plug lead back on until it's firm. Alright, and then we'll do this one. So that one's yours. Alright, we'll swap over.
Okay.
Anti-clockwise.
Yep.
Just pull that bar out, pass it to me.
Okay, so that black carbon.
Yeah,
Trying to
trying to get rid of all the black carbon and stick the plug in the end. Gives you a bit more leverage. Purchase. Alright, so CRC first, give it a spray. And yeah, just off the back of the boat there. Brush and just
back scratch?
yeah, probably over here so we don't lose the plug.
Is that yes to a back scratch?
No, Fiona. No back scratching, thank you.
You do like a bit of a back
Oh,
scratch.
I do. But maybe not with a rusty wire brush. Give us a look, Fiona. See how we are. Well, it's looking pretty good. It's nice and clean.
Is it?
Yeah, I think it's probably clean enough. You might do a little bit more on the top, but it's pretty much there. And then just give it a light spray with some CRC, and then we'll put it back in. Looks good.
Okay.
A little bit of CRC to give it a quick clean.
Let's put that there.
Okay. Now, pop that sucker back in.
That way?
Yeah.
It's got that little...
Just you can leave it in the whole thing, and then just keep your thumb on it until it's in that spot, and then just tilt it in, and just nice and gently. You're just waiting for the thread to take up, just gently. Is it tight?
It's finger tight.
Yeah, and then one good hard twist to lock it in. Keep it square. Okay, that's probably enough. Alright, put those back in the bag, just over here. Alright, yep, put that back on. Alright, so get the CRC now and give the motor a bit of a spray, like all the electrical components, just to keep the moisture out of the electrical components. And on the other side, we've got some linkages. Just watch your leg. Yeah. Just spray the linkages just to keep everything just move yourself back a bit so you're not getting sprayed on. And this carburetor a little bit. Alright, now we can tilt the motor back down. Alright, now before we put the lid on, let's start this little sucker.
Yeah.
Alright, we're recording again.
This is the test.
This is
How many do you reckon? Like 60 pulls?
60 pulls, yeah, 60 pulls. I was joking. It shouldn't be that fucking hard to start.
Well, hold on, just let me try again.
Just wait.
Okay, it's 40.
Right.
20 more to go.
Let's see if you can get a bigger pull. Let's see if you can, maybe push your arse back a bit further. So when you pull, you get this at the full extent. I think the motor is just like it's been a problematic. So.
Best position.
It's going to go. Don't touch the throttle.
Now can I touch the
No. And again. See, there's something wrong with the motor that's doing these things. I don't know why it's doing that. Should just start.
Yes.
Wait. There's one thing I forgot to do. Start it again. It's going to give it a bit of carby cleaner. A little bit more. More. Do the front first.
That's good.
It's done up at the back.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're done, Fiona.
Going
Services.
to
Mechanic always has a mechanic's rag, Fiona. All right, our Marina service in a tropical paradise with a setting sun is complete. Okay, time for a rumbo.